Alright, yeah, we out on the nature walk. And my baby, my baby. Yeah, look at my baby. Yeah, she's my baby. Yeah. We were just looking at a little, I think it was a blowfish.
You see that little tiny
I
one?
won't be able to see it.
See that?
Yeah, I see it. Little tiny.
See?
Oh, where the big one went?
I don't know. Did you see the tiny one?
Yeah, but this new location here, where I was speaking about a couple of days ago, where I finally made it out. But yeah, it's so relaxing, feel the energy. You know, yeah. Uh-oh, I'm getting a picture of me actually recording. The crowd spot, what they call it. You know, they nerves and stuff. Yep. You see it, baby? You don't see it? What you see, baby?
See.
Yeah.
It's right there. I see the little one. I see it. Oh, you see that's a blowfish?
I love these nature's walk, though. I really do. These nature walks, it's so relaxing. You know, just feeling the presence of mama. Woo-wee. Come here, that tape. Hold that to me. Hold that to me. Don't press nothing. I'm just enjoying this out here. Just enjoying. Coming in, baby? You gonna come in with me? You gonna come in with me? Okay, well, you know, I do this. You know, this is what I do. You know, solar energy being, nature being. This is what I do. You know, get me with all these trees, man, all the beautiful trees and stuff. There's all this beautifulness out here. Make sure all that count. Yeah, that's how we do this.
I want to be.
You know, yeah, I'm excited. You know me. I stay excited. You know, but yeah. All right, that's it.